In the trades, there's a moment in school when it just clicks. A moment that can stick with you through your entire life and career. Even in the toughest of times, there are jobs that need to be done. The essential workers of today build the economies of tomorrow. In the Lehigh Valley and beyond, the demand for skilled labor continues to grow at a breakneck pace. And Northampton Community College has built some of the most cutting-edge training facilities you can find. With some of the best job placement rates in the country, NCC's hands-on approach gives employers trust and confidence in our graduates' abilities. Our industry and manufacturing-specific programs give you a comprehensive understanding built on real-world experience. And with one of the largest scholarship programs in Pennsylvania and a low-cost tuition, a quality education becomes truly attainable. Between our integration with other technical schools, our flexible scheduling, and industry-leading job placement rates, there's only one thing left to decide. When can you start?